As part of the World Health Organization's effort to eradicate vaccine nationalism in the global fight against COVID 19, the International Health Agency has created the COVAX initiative, which was designed to ensure equitable access to COVID 19 vaccines once they're licensed and approved for third world countries like Guyana. The platform, which is referred to as the COVAX facility, is intended to pool investments in the development, manufacturing, and distribution of a COVID 19 vaccine. The goal of the COVAX facility is to provide 2 billion doses of a vaccine to cover 20% of the population of all participating countries by the end of 2021. Speaking on the subject of treatment for COVID 19 in a recent interview, Minister of Health Dr. Frank Anthony disclosed that Guyana is among the first set of beneficiaries for a vaccine.
We in Guyana, we would be part of that COVAX facility, and we would also benefit from a subsidy, so to speak. So we wouldn't get it at whatever price it is, but we'll get it at a lower price because Guyana and 9 other Caribbean countries have qualified for that subsidy. So we are going to be part of COVAX.
Dr. Anthony further explained that the vaccines will have to go through robust trials before they're manufactured and distributed to the countries in need.
They're currently looking at about 15 vaccines that they feel would be very promising, meaning that they're right now in phase 3 trials, so there's only one more step to go. If, say, 5 of that 15 works, then they will put additional money behind that 5 to get it to be manufactured.
The health minister further highlighted that talks have begun with Russia in relation to the country's coronavirus vaccine.
We have had some bilateral meetings with the Russian government, and they too have been developing a vaccine. And I guess once we see the scientific information and so forth, and depending on the results that they're getting, that possibly can be another avenue to get a vaccine to Guyana.
As a third avenue, Dr. Anthony informed that Guyana will also keep a close watch on India's first COVID-19 vaccine, which is currently in the second phase of clinical trials. Hydroxychloroquine and chloroquine, commonly used to treat malaria patients, were previously used as a form of treatment for COVID-19 patients, approximately 4 months after the first case was detected. With the intervention of PAHO WHO, the drugs were not being used for a period of time after debates surfaced about its effectiveness. Additionally, in April, the convalescent plasma therapy was introduced at the Georgetown Public Hospital as a mechanism to save the lives of patients in the COVID-19 intensive care unit. This process allows for COVID-19 survivors to donate blood in an effort to secure the patients suffering from severe complications caused by the disease. The blood plasma helps to fight off the disease and prevent the illness from escalating into severe pneumonia. At least 3 patients have since recovered after being administered the therapy. Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.